What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm base box unboxing for the month of February. So, if you are interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. Alright, so if any of you watched my Boxycharm premium video last month, I talk about how I canceled my premium box. That was until today when I saw the choice options. And so one of them was the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Foundation. And you know what's even sadder? I already have that foundation. I have a problem. Anyways, let's see what I got in my base box. Alright. I got, ooh. This is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. A buttery eye cream with an infusion of Zuyu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus, combined with targeted ingredients such as the active vital complex and niacinamide. This eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. And it retails for $32. That's kind of cute. I love me a good eye cream. Ooh, it looks like really thick and luxurious. Let me try it. Ooh, it is. Yes. So excited. Alright, next is this OPV, not HPV, Beauty Loose Setting Powder. In translucent. I do like the packaging. Oh, there's another piece of plastic in between me and my makeup. No, I'm not going to do that because I might put this in a giveaway. But here is what it looks like. And this retails for $22. Is this Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. This is my third one, and they never send like pretty colors. The name of it is Lock and Key. And these retail for $20. Jeez Louise. See, I think I already have this color. I mean, that one's a little bit better than what they've sent me before. I thought I had one right there, but I don't. But, okay. Alright, now we have this Alley-Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. Okay, what is this? An award-winning multitasker brush combined with the foremost most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, a blush, a brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of a premium synthetic fiber, and this retails for $28. How is it 4-in-1? Like, that's two. Oh wait, hold on. There's directions. Okay, twist to open. Oh, so that's like an eyeliner brush. That's a shader brush. And this is a sponge. It's very dense though. I don't think I would use this. I really like the concept. I like the concept. So I'll leave it at that. I don't know if I said this, but it retails for $28. And lastly, this is the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. Ooh, I love lip scrubs. Okay. This indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugar cane crystals to gently and polish away dead skin cells, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here is what it looks like. My lips get so dry and I get so much extra skin. It smells good. Let me see if it's gritty enough for my liking. Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect. All right. $23 that retails for. All right. So the total retail value for everything is $124. Wait. I think so. I just added that up in my head, but then I forgot if that was the right number. 1 minute. $125. Okay. All right. Be my Glamentine. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. I'm super excited about the lip scrub. I am really excited about the eye cream. That's about it. I'll try the brush and I'll try the setting powder. All right. All right. All right, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.